Before I let you guys know if the VaporMax 3s are actually worth $200, if this video gets 200 likes, we will find out what's inside these shoes. Just like we're about to find out what's inside this. Let's go. All right, guys, so 200 likes, we will chainsaw these shoes, VaporMax 3s, like we're about to chainsaw, whatever this is called.
And just like that.
All right, like I said in the intro of the video, today we're gonna find out, or I already know, but I'm gonna let you guys know if these $200 pairs of Nike Air Flyknit VaporMax 3s are worth the hefty $200 price tag. Real quick, we're gonna make this a quick video. I'm gonna start off with the negatives about the shoe. Negative number one, you already know what I was gonna say, the air bubble. So this is a very negative shoe in the fact that if this air bubble pops, which the VaporMax 3s, well, we're not gonna go on to the pros, but it's cons. If your shoe pops here, you get a needle, a thorn, you know, something spiky. If it pops here, your whole front unit gets popped. So if it pops here, anywhere from this point to this point, it doesn't matter if it pops right here, this whole thing's gonna get flat. Up to here. If it pops over here, if it pops here, the whole unit's gonna get flat. And if you've ever had a VaporMax, you know that if your unit pops, the shoes are done. Like, they're done. You're not gonna be able to wear them. They're gonna be super uncomfortable. You can't wear them from running. You can't wear them for style. It's like your shoe's done. Second con about the shoe, price tag. You're paying $100 each pair of shoes. $100 here, $100 here. So not many people have, you know, that much money to spend on the $100 shoes, you know? And it's not really something that makes a big difference. With that being said, we're gonna go with the pros. The pros is that you could run with these on the streets and the air bubbles feels like jelly. Like, it really absorbs a lot of the contact of the shoe. Let's go ahead and throw them on the feet and I'll continue this review. That leads me to my next point. The VaporMax 3s are now not see-through. As you can clearly see, I'm wearing a white sock, but you can't see. So let's move on to the next step, which is flexibility. All right, let's go ahead and pull on back and I will show you the flexibility of the VaporMax. Yes, they survive the run over test. All right, so another thing you want to look into when getting a good running shoe, or just a shoe in general, is if it's gonna look good with jeans on, as far as a fashionable shoe. And as you can clearly see here, the VaporMax 3 with jeans looks really well, so check that out. So let's take these outside, show you how they look. All right, so this is how you can wear them with jeans. As you can see, whether you like it or not, this is pretty much up to you. But I think a VaporMax looks really well with jeans on. I like wearing it this side rather than having it covered. But as you can see, very comfortable shoes to, you know, could go play some football. And this is the point of view of how the shoe looks. So 200 likes, like I said in the beginning of the video, and we will chainsaw these shoes. So give you guys a little point of view. Easy to take off too. Easy to take off. We'll be right back. And just like that. The last pro about this shoe here is that, as you can see, it's really dirty right now, and you really can't even tell. Like, I use these on a muddy run on a really dusty road, and like I said, this colorway in particular, you really can't tell that it's dirty. For example, here, that is its true color. As you can see, it's vibrant and no pops. Alright, we got the VAPORMAX Plus. We on the Stairmaster right now, as you can see. Just testing them out. They're pretty comfortable when they're just like stepping, you know. Here's another view.